klaro na po nila nga, gilab na ko sila kay kung sila ihangyo na ko, maningkawat mo po ko para mahatag na ko nila. Sa ato po mga problems, dili ta mag loya kay karang problema nga ako, makakuha siya na, basta abot ko niya, maluya siya, hindi mo pinig abot, dali niyong mamatay. So, kailangan mag-pray ta because God has a very good plan for us and everything happens for a reason. Just believe in God like how you believe the sun exists. Not because you can see it, but because you can't see anything because of it. Ants do not have dreams because they never sleep. Pigs don't have sun and moon. Pigs don't know see sun and moon because how God created us so special. So just remember, while you are complaining about your situation, someone else is asking to be in your place. May we learn to be thankful and contented. And remember, the best way to start your day is to pray. Thank you.